Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about liver and also the important points that you need to diagnose by yourself whether your liver needs detox or not. When I am talking about liver, like what are the signs or what are the diagnoses, I am not speaking about clinical diagnosis, that is LFT, liver functioning test, that you go to clinic and have your LFT done, that is liver functioning test. These are clinical parameters, that is very different from what I am going to talk about, or these clinical parameters are very different from Ayurveda parameters of functioning of liver. Definitely when your liver is in the failure stage or it is totally functioning not well, that is your LFTs are disturbed, then the line of treatment will be something different. But when your LFT is normal but still there are certain signs and symptoms which shows your digestive fire or your functioning of liver or functioning of Bhuta Agni is not proper. In Ayurveda, liver is considered as the place where Bhuta Agni works. Like I have mentioned in my previous videos, like in human body, there are 13 types of fires that are present. There are five types of elemental fires, that is called Bhuta Agni. There are 7 types of Dhatva Agni, that is called cellular fire or the energy that is responsible for cellular transformation. As you know, one cell level got transformed to another kind of cell level, that is specialized cell, and this is how human system work. And the last one is digestive fire. So among these fires, the Bhuta Agni, the place of elemental fire is liver. And how we will check whether our elemental fire is working proper or not according to Ayurveda perspective. And when is the time that we need to pay attention to our liver? As liver is considered as the most important organ in human body. And these days, as you know, most of the people are taking a lot of medicines for depression, for various kind of anxiety disorders, for various kind of syndromes, which are extremely damaging for liver. And because people are not adopting yoga lifestyle or healthy lifestyle, or many times it happens like people are not aware of these lifestyles. If even they want to change something, but the capability to change those things is not there. And for many people, yoga is nothing more than an exercise. So I understand the pain of this, because I was also one among them. Though I belong to India, and yoga came in my life very early in my age, at the age of 22. But still, the actual meaning of yoga, the actual strength of yoga, I have realized after many years. So I completely understand the situation of people, but at the same time it becomes extremely important, like what we are popping in our mouth, because all these alcohols, all these drinks, especially which contains a lot of low pH, especially these cold drinks, cokes and all these things. So their pH value is very low and they are not liver friendly at all, and they will damage liver to a very big extent. So in such situations, there are certain signs and symptoms, very feeble signs and symptoms which our body gives, but we never notice. We just wait for a day like liver totally went into failure, and that is the day when your clinical parameters, that is LFT, liver functioning test, clinically will go wrong. And then if you want to reverse it, it's very difficult. But if you pay attention, because our body has its own intelligence, whenever we do something wrong, or we eat something which is not helpful for liver, especially these very harsh chemicals, or alcohol, or very strong alcohol, or synthetic alcohols. So what is happening when we are drinking it? When we take it, it is going to impact your liver, and your liver start giving a very small signs which most of the people ignore. So today I am going to talk about these signs and symptoms. Like if you feel these signs and symptoms, that means it is the time that you stop the cause which is creating these signs symptoms and you focus on your diet and lifestyle. So the very first sign and symptom about liver is sometimes we feel pain in our right hypochondrium. It's a very mild pain. It's a very mild pain, almost negligible pain, and with this pain you can walk, you can do your works, you can do everything, but just sometime you feel pain. So if you are feeling these kind of sometime pains and very mild pain which is almost unnoticeable, that means you pay attention like what you are eating, or maybe your liver is signing, okay, check your diet. Or maybe your liver is putting an alarm, please take medicines carefully, or take these synthetic medicines very carefully, or take something, whatever you are eating non-stop like alcohol or these kind of harsh drinks, please pay attention, maybe it is damaging for liver. When I am saying right hypochondrium, I am saying just below our rib cage on the right side. So that is the area that is called right hypochondrium, and it is the place where your liver stays. The very wonderful thing about our body is this: body don't jump quickly into diseases, especially in case of chronic ailments. Our body has its own intelligence. Even yogic sciences says like body has its own intelligence. So it is not like you eat something today and next day the impact will come. Things are not like this. Once you eat something rubbish, your immune system fight with it, and if your immune system is better, this rubbish will not matter much. But eventually you will see, if this alarm sign keep going, or your body start giving certain signs, and if you don't notice these signs, then what will happen one day? Eventually after 1, 2 or 3 years, or even 4 years, 5 years, slowly the damage to the liver will start happening, because if you keep doing wrong, keep doing wrong, keep doing wrong, because body has a certain limit to tolerate it, a day will come like the body will start weakening, and that is the time where your liver start giving clinical signs that are present in your blood test reports. But the signs I am going to mention today, or if any one of the sign is present, it is not you need to have all the signs. It is time you just pay attention on your lifestyle, just adopt yoga, just do little walking, exercise, and all these small things. It is not okay you will become scared, oh my God, this is happening, what to do. It is not like that. These are the normal things which almost everybody's body speaks. And if we do little changes, these subsides by itself. And if needed, Ayurveda consultation is always there. So, no need to worry or scared about it. Just be aware about it, because if you are aware, it will help you to make your choices better. So next thing is, if your mouth is smelling bad for some reasons, if there is bad breath in your mouth. So it can be because of your tooth problem, or some kind of gland, or bad oral hygiene, or some teeth related problem. Regarding teeth related problem, I already have created videos, so you can make use of it, how to naturally take care of your teeth. Many people ask like how your teeth are so white and what you apply on your teeth. So regarding that, I have already created video. You can go to that video, there is a link below, and you can make use of it.